Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to remove favorite contacts on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to phone. After that we need to click favorites and here choose any contact and swipe to left and click delete. If you want to delete a couple contacts once, you must click edit, click on this minus and click delete, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and write good comments. Bye bye everyone, see you later.